Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program Chevy Impala key fob, full guide. Start by closing every door and sitting in the driver's seat with the key in hand. Leave the ignition off and ensure interior lights respond. Be ready to perform the sequence without delay. Gather 2 key fobs if needed and a helper for 2-person methods. Follow each step deliberately and avoid interruptions for best results. Begin by inserting the key and turning it to the run position, then back off. Repeat the specific ignition cycles until the door locks cycle. Once locks respond, press and hold the lock or unlock button on the new fob to register it with the vehicle. If programming multiple fobs, repeat the button press for each unit. Confirm success by testing lock, unlock, and panic functions at short range. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It makes following audio prompts and hands-free timers easier when you are working on the car. Check the description for the link and other deals, then bookmark it for later. Now let's get back to the video. If the fob does not program, first replace its battery and retry the full sequence from the start, keeping doors closed and interior lights responsive. Confirm the original key still operates normally in the ignition, as immobilizer issues can block programming. For vehicles with advanced anti-theft or rolling code systems, professional diagnostic tools or dealer assistance may be required to complete programming safely and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.